Hey friends, it's Jacqueline here. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the 3 limited edition Chanel blushes. But before we get started, and if you're new here, I hope that you will consider and subscribe to my channel, ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and come and follow me on my Instagram. And now, if you want to see all the details about these blushes, how they look on a light to medium skin tone, then just keep on watching. Certainly, I have been on a kick with Chanel. Well, I cannot blame them because they have been releasing beautiful items. I mean, not too long ago, I did my review on the newest Le Rouge Duo Ultra Genuine liquid lipsticks. Also, the fall 2020 collection, which in fact, I'm wearing a lipstick from that collection right now. It's this one right here. I usually do not wear red, but I felt in the mood to, you know what, I'm gonna wear red. Why not? And this one is Rouge Allure Infusion in 836 Idyllic. Everything that I'm wearing today is gonna be on the description box below. And Chanel just came out not with new blushes. These are blushes that they are already existing of the line in Chanel, but they have limited edition packaging. So what I thought is like, okay, I don't have these specific blushes. Obviously, I really want to get the limited edition packaging, but I also have a light to medium skin tone, and I thought, you know, why not bring you right here some swatches, not only on my hand, but also my face, because you know that I love to do that. I did it with all the new Patrick Ta duo blushes, the cream and powder ones, and I said, you know what, Chanel is Chanel, and I have to do it. And my package just arrived. Look how lovely everything came, wrapped with the beautiful ribbon bow that is golden. It's just exquisite, and I just have to be so thankful with the Chanel boutique in Aventura in Florida. They are the ones that they are always helping me, in a specific Melissa. Please, 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 I have her information on the description box below, so I will be leaving, all the details. But if you are in Florida and if you want to have, you know, an outstanding customer service, when you stop at that boutique, ask for Melissa. Also Robin, she's the manager there. She's a doll, and I'm just so grateful to them. Anyhow, here they are. So let's unbox this baby. Oh my goodness me, I don't want to even like untie the bow because it's so pretty. Okay, maybe I can just do this. I know. I know, I'm just so silly as that because I just love pretty things. I mean, who doesn't love pretty things? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, let me just set it down right here so I can open it. Ooh, oh, sweet. I received a little note right here. There you go. Oh, I love the ladies at that boutique. They are so helpful. The blushes are now available online. So here you go. It comes with the seal, and I always dislike to undo the seal and tear the tissue paper. I don't know why. I don't know why. The tissue paper, I don't know why. It's just me. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. I can just go ahead and put them under a Christmas tree. Oh, thank you so much, Melissa. I'm sorry, I just keep saying thank you because I just feel that this is just so much extra care right here. And then she sent me some samples too. Let's see what's in here. I love to share these things with you. I know, sorry if you don't care, but I do. So she sent me a Le Volume Stretch, the Chanel and mascara, which I actually really enjoy, really love. And then, ooh, a cleansing milk. This is perfect. Okay, so we have a couple products that I can try, and then let's unbox the blushes. Okay, so it shows you. So cute. Too cute to be true. Okay. Oh wow. The truth of the matter that I just need to untie the ribbon. Okay, and this is how they come. So as you can tell, the box, yes, is black. All the lettering is in white, but then on the sides, everything is a very deep burgundy maroon tone. Very pretty. And the one that I have right here is 320 Rouge Profond. Then the name and the number, you'll find it at the very, very top. Okay, these blushes, they are made in France and they have a shelf life of 18 months and the weight, it is 6 grams or 0.21 ounces. And then the experience, we have the velvet pouch with Chanel logo here. And let's just take it out of the bag. I know it's very dark, I don't know if you can see it, but the logo, instead to be a white logo as per usual, is this very deep, like I said, burgundy. Yeah, it's like a very deep burgundy shade. Like I have here another Chanel product. What I have here, I have the Candeur et Séduction, the eyeshadow palette, the quad. So you see, it usually comes here like white, and in this case is a limited edition. We know Lucia Pica, she loves red and she has showered us with a lot of red lately, and in this case of the blushes, there's this special limited edition. Like I said, you can also get them in the non-limited edition packaging if you want to, if you just want to keep it, you know, simple. Ooh, this Rouge Profond looks beautiful. It came a little bit, not broken, just a little bit, it's a little bit smushed right there in the middle, not that much. Even the brush, it's imprint in that kind of burgundy color. So this is a Rouge Profond. It's not really a deep red. Actually, it's a very beautiful, muted, kind of like, how to explain this one? Right here, it's not terracotta, but it also has some, but it seems like some peachy pink in it. So here you go. That is Rouge Profond. And I'm gonna open the rest too, so that way we can just have them on my finger, show it to you up close, and then we're gonna apply it on the cheeks too. So I have here another one. This one, it is O2 Rose Bronze. There you go. Same packaging. On the top you have the name, and again, same beautiful experience. The velvet pouch. Oop, this is in the back. There you go. In the back you also find the name of the blush and then the same details, where it's made, the weight, all that. Okay, so let's open this one up. Oh, this is a beautiful shade. Oh, it has a little bit of a sheen, not shimmer, just a sheen. So beautiful. So this shade right here is O2 Rose Bronze. It's a little bit more muted. Oh, look at that. I think this is a beautiful shade for like an everyday, not too much. And if you have used Chanel blushes, you know that you can build them up. They don't go as strong as they may look in the pan, which is great because you can, you know, you can intensify as needed. I just feel so bad every time that I'm doing these. Oh my God, little gifts. Okay, let's see. We have right here 260 Alezabe. There we go. And now let's take a peek right here. Velvet pouch, beautiful. And then here you go. The way that you open these, there is a little button right here. You just press and then you open it up, and then you find always the protector. Okay, well, this is very interesting. It looks very alike to the previous shade. Perhaps this is just a little bit deeper in tone, and it has a little bit of like golden flecks. There you go. And then let's just give it a swatch here. Okay, this one is just a little bit deeper. The previous one has a little bit more pink in it. This one a little bit more of a warm peach undertone. I have here 320 Rouge Profond, O2 Rose Bronze, and 260 Alezabe. And let's see how they swatch on the skin. I know it's hard to swatch blushes. Oh, Alezabe is kind of my vibe. There you go. These are the shades right there. I'm gonna build them up just a little more so you can see really well the intensity. Out of the 3 rose bronze, the one in the middle is the lightest one. On my right hand side, I have Rouge Profond 320, in the middle 02 rose bronze, and on my left hand side 260 Alezabe. Okay friends, so let's start with the application of these blushes. I'm gonna do, okay, let's do first one, the lightest shade, 02 rose bronze, and I'm gonna use this Refer 04 brush. Now these compacts, they do come with a mirror. Ooh, beautiful shade. It has a beautiful sheen. I actually think that this shade right here, because it's actually really shiny for being a blush, I feel that this could work really well as a highlighter for those who have deep skin tone. Like if you are like tan, borderline to deep, and then deep, this will be a beautiful pinky tone highlighter. Beautiful, truly lovely. Okay, let's move on and let's go for Rouge Profond, which is the deepest of the 3 of them. And I'm gonna go with the Refer 19 brush. You can see it has like a little divot right in the middle, and then it came a little bit powdery on the side. I mean, oh well, I don't think it's gonna fall. I mean, it's nothing that is coming off of the pan. It's just not perfectly, you know, as usual. Okay, and then let's go for this one. Ooh. Okay, this obviously I will wear it a little bit, not as intense as I'm doing it right now. I'm doing it extra intense so you can really see the intensity of the blush. But this will be perfect with a nude lipstick and pretty much a very, very, very simple eyeshadow, like just bronzer on your eyelids and then just a flash of color. This is beautiful. And as you can tell, it does have some sheen to it, not as much as this side. This side right here, honestly, I can even use it as a little bit of a highlighter. I mean, I will take this one instead of like so close to the apples of the cheeks. I will actually take it a little bit on this side. But yeah, here we go. This is beautiful too. Okay friends, let me just take both of these blushes off and then we will swatch the last one. Alrighty friends, I took both blushes off, reapply a little bit of foundation, use a little bit of setting powder. The setting powder that I use is from Jackeline. Beautiful, beautiful powder. And I'm gonna be using, I use for the first 2 natural hair brushes. For this one right here, I'm gonna go with a very beautiful soft brush from BK Beauty 104. This is synthetic, but it actually feels as it is natural hair. I just want to see how it builds up the product too, and another way of applying it. So here we go. This is the one in Alezabe. Gorgeous shade right here. And let's just go for it. Look how much it picked up. I know, I'm doing a heavy application just for you to see. Again, it has that beautiful sheen. It's just so lovely. You just have a little bit of that golden shift. This is kind of like that sunburn type of blush, like not sunburn, like after you got a sunburn and you're turning into bronze, but there's still a hint of that pink on your cheeks. Okay, and I'm gonna apply just a little bit on my nose because that's the way I like it. Ooh, so beautiful. I mean, as you can tell, You can build it up, but it never looks like too much. Definitely the last one is my cup of tea. I mean, I knew it as soon as I saw it online. And right now when I open it, I'm like, okay, this is my type of blush, but I love all of them. And actually, I've heard from my very good friend here on YouTube, Alezabe. She lives in Canada, that in Canada, there's a couple of these blushes that they are the same in the limited edition packaging, but then there's another one in the limited edition packaging that is not the same as here. So perhaps it seems like in different countries there are different shades. You have to let me know if you live in another country. I'm here in the United States, so you let me know if you know what are the different shades right there. I'm very curious about it. I'm also curious to know if you have decided to purchase any of these limited edition packaging blushes, or if you already have them, which ones are the ones that you love, or which of Chanel blushes are the ones that just steal your heart, the ones that are just like, this is me in a blush. You have to let me know. And while you're leaving that comment, I hope that you will consider and subscribe to my channel, ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and come and follow me on my Instagram. Let's grow our family there. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, also share with family and friends, and until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye bye.